Lights, camera, action. Welcome to our channel, where today we are going to unveil a showstopper of a product, the pre-painted fully furnished solid WPC door. Get ready to be dazzled as we explore its incredible features in true filmy style. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as we bring some Bollywood magic to the world of doors. Feature 1: Beautiful pre-painted designs. In a world where first impressions are everything, our solid WPC door makes a grand entrance with its stunning pre-painted designs. Much like the vibrant colors of a Bollywood set, these doors come in a variety of shades and patterns that'll leave you and your guests mesmerized. Be the director of your own home and choose a design that reflects your unique taste. Feature 2: Fully furnished and ready to install. Just like a filmy hero who arrives at the perfect moment, our solid WPC door comes fully furnished and ready to be installed. No need to spend time on painting or finishing, it's all being taken care of for you. Simply select your favorite design and let the magic unfold as our door takes center stage in your home. Feature 3: Durable solid WPC material. Every great Bollywood story has a strong, dependable hero, and our solid WPC door is no exception. Made from wood plastic composite, WPC, these doors are strong, durable, and weather resistant. They'll stand up to the test of time, just like the timeless appeal of your favorite filmy classics. Feature 4: Eco-friendly and sustainable. In an epic tale of love for Mother Earth, our solid WPC door is a true eco-friendly superstar. The use of recycled materials in its construction not only makes it sustainable but also helps reduce deforestation. Choosing our solid WPC door is like casting a vote for a greener, more beautiful planet. Conclusion. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Our pre-painted fully furnished solid WPC door combines beauty, durability, and sustainability in one fabulous package. It's the ultimate filmy style addition to any home, ready to steal the spotlight and leave a lasting impression. Now, if you are ready to bring home the glamour of Bollywood with our show-stopping solid WPC door, simply head over to our website and place your order. The product link is available in the description box below. We provide free home delivery all over India. And to make your experience even more delightful, we offer free customization for our solid WPC doors. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to chat with us on our WhatsApp number. The link is also available in the description box. So, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. This is your filmy host, signing off with a heartfelt "Ye Duriya Mitane Aayi Hai, Ye WPC door." Until next time, take care and happy decorating.